Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making spicy garlic shrimp. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need shrimp, butter, garlic, black pepper, red pepper flakes, chili powder, salt, red onion, and green onions. First things first, chop the green onion, red onion, and garlic. So let's get started. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. As soon as the oil starts sizzling, add shrimp in a single layer. Do not overcrowd the shrimp, guys. Cook shrimp 2 minutes per side. As soon as it turns pink, remove it from the heat and set it aside. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys. I know you will love it. Now let's move on to cook our vegetables. Heat oil and butter in a large skillet. Add onions. Saute the onions until they are soft and translucent. Add garlic, chili powder, and give it a good stir. Continue to cook for 1 minute. Add red pepper flakes. This will add a kick to it. Keep stirring. Add shrimp back to the pan and season with salt and black pepper. I like to serve this dish as a main course with pasta or our favorite vegetable rice medley recipe. Guys, you can go check the video. I'll leave the link up somewhere here in the video. It also makes an amazing appetizer. Add green peppers. Mix well and the dish is done. Whenever I want a quick and delicious shrimp that I know everyone will love, this one is my go-to shrimp recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like the video. Share it with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my